Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will give you the introduction about the PLC and the basic ladder instructions, and also the short introduction about the embedded system. So first of all, let's discuss what is PLC. PLC basically means Programmable Logic Controller. It is like a small industrial computer used to control the machine and processing everything automatically. It can control the machine and process everything automatically. Mean a PLC or Programmable Logic Controller is an industrial computer used to control the machine and process automatically, and it will be done through the logic which we will create it. I will tell you in further video how to create a logic. It reads the signal from the sensor or switches and then turn on and off the devices like a motor, lamps, valves according to the program inside it. A PLC is also like a microcontroller, but it is more powerful than a microcontroller and used in many big industries. Here, here is the example of a C1 PLC. Here you can see there are inputs like I1, I2, I3 to I8. And here you can see there are the output Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This means here we can connect everything like a sensor, switches, etc. through which we can control the output. Through these all inputs, I can control all the outputs. All the motors and machines are connected through these outputs. So what is the ladder language? Ladder language is the most common programming language used for PLC. Like in microcontroller, we use the C and C++ language. In PLC, the most common language that is used ladder language. This is the example of a ladder language. Here is the normally open contact switch, and here the output is connected. So now let's discuss what is the normally open and normally closed contact. It is the basic instruction of PLC. Normally open contact means it allows current to pass when input device is active. Like for example, if I on this switch or if I active this switch, the output will be on. Here you can see if I press this open button, so the output will be on, and there is a motor connect through this output which control the door open and door close. So this is the short example of a ladder language. Now there are many applications of PLC. Application mean those things which can be controlled by the PLC. Here are traffic lights, conveyor belts, motor control, and industrial automation. Every machine can be controlled through the PLC. Now I will give you the example of a normally closed contact. Normally closed contact mean like here you can see in the diagram. It is the normally open contact which I have explained you through the example, and it is the normally closed contact. It is the opposite of the normally open contact. Let's discuss the embedded system. A computer system designed for a specific task. It is basically based on a microcontroller or a microprocessor. It is basically found in home appliances, cars, medical devices, and IoT. Here you can see a simple example of a microcontroller.